issued a tornado warning for southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, southwestern Ballard County, Kentucky, north central Carlisle County, Kentucky, northeastern Mississippi County, Missouri, until 1 a.m. At 12:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cairo, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Carroll, Wycliffe, and Barlow. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following county: Mississippi, Missouri, and Alexander, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard, and Carlisle. Severe thunderstorm warning remains.